Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Will Horton, licensed psychologist and master hypnotist. It's my joy to announce that this year I'll be teaching at the National Guild of Hypnotists Conference, August 9th through 11th. This will be my 34th consecutive National Guild of Hypnosis Conference that I've attended. I've been going every year since I got exposed to the organization because it's the #1 best, hands down, without a doubt, hypnosis conference that you can go to for hypnosis, NLP, and even personal coaching. So I look forward to seeing you there. Now, during the conference, I'm going to be teaching a class on waking hypnosis, how to do the hypnotic state without formally doing the hypnotic state. I'm also super proud to announce that on August 8th, the day before the conference, I'm doing a one-day training on hypnotic writing, how to turn your writing into hypnosis in action. So when you if you're doing a post, or an ad, or even when you're writing your scripts or an email, you can make it very hypnotic. I'll show you the tricks and techniques that very few hypnotists know and that I'll be proud to share with you. And also then I'm super excited on the 12th and 13th, the 2 days after the conference, I'm teaching an Essentials of NLP. It's a basic 2-day NLP class. You'll be getting the home study version to study on your own, but we're going to be doing 2 days of intensive NLP. And this is the class I tell people, bring your problems, let's fix them while you're learning how to help other people make changes. Now, I've been teaching at the National Guild of Hypnosis Conference, like I said, since 1989, and it's my joy to do this every year. And I think since 91, I've been teaching the NLP course. It's the only course I'm going to be teaching live currently. So you can come there and review or renew your skills. So it's going to be a lot of fun. If you have any questions, just reach out. And by the way, as a special bonus, if you take either the pre-course or the post-course or both, you're going to get thousands of dollars in free other education that I'll be happy to give to you, because my joy is to help other people learn these skills so they can take them to the next level. So again, go to the National Guild of Hypnosis Conference, August 9th through 11th in beautiful Marlborough, Massachusetts. It's a nice hotel, plenty of places to eat in there, but it's not so overwhelming where you get lost and all the other stuff to do. It's a very intensive place to go and increase your skills and create friends like I have that you'll have for the rest of your life. Thank you, and just reach out.